All right, let me hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back once again to our channel. Welcome to the Trader by Uganda platform, where we always empower ourselves, traders, and other entrepreneurs who are pursuing their ambitions and journey through the Forex through the Forex fraternity. All right, let me hope you're doing well, brother and sister. Now today, I've come out and I want us to analyze all to forecast, to make the analysis. We forecast how next week will be, right? And hopefully it's gonna be the week 17th to 21st, right? 17th, 21st. That will be a Monday to a Friday. And to our brothers who are our brothers, sorry. Oh my goodness. Our brothers, those ones who are trading crypto indices, what? They know themselves. They always trade. They always do what? They always trade even on weekends. So you don't need to worry. We shall analyze each and everything. Now, as you know, if you're a trader, you can't just jump direct into the market without seeing what's being played in the background or without seeing how your economic calendar will be. Because when you're planning, your week ahead or when you're planning your trades, you need to first see what's behind the curtains right now. This is our economic calendar, and since Sunday is 16th, this is a Sunday, right? And as you always know, you don't always trade on Sunday, so all my highs, all our highs should be put or should be elected on the 17th, because I said we are starting on what? 17th. That's our weekly start. And now we shall just be seeing how our week will be, or how our Monday will be. And if you're to see my calendar, I set it into this whole week. Why? I just want to see the whole week, how it's going to be performing, right? Now, this is a Monday. And on Monday, I'm seeing JPY. We have high volatility expected because they will be releasing their GDP, gross domestic production. And I've ever told you about that topic, just that I talked in Uganda. Thank God. And when life is still there, inshallah, or if God wishes, I record it, right? I record it to my prestigious students while learning here at Trader Uganda. Now, on Monday, the highly more impactful news, I'm looking at oh, sorry, GDP was for Sunday. It was a Sunday today. We're having GDP on JPY, and Monday, I'm looking at AUD, interest rate decision. We have interest rate decisions, and as I always say, even if it's a single stamp news, like when they say low volatility expected, don't lose guard. It should always be a habit. Understand? It should always be a habit. Now, on Euro, Uber will be speaking, and this will be under unemployment rate. I'm looking at AUD. Then on Tuesday, what am I looking at? Average earnings. The GBP. The GBP, we are looking at average earnings. Then yeah, proceeding. Still on that very Tuesday, we have Bank of England Governor Bill will be speaking. right? To be put to star news, all bull news, moderate volatility expected. Then on that very day, Forex news, and U.S. President Trump will be speaking on Tuesday, and there is high volatility expected. There is high volatility expected, right? And as you can see, event data will be released in 67 hours and 37 minutes. We have to wait. That's why they indicated tentative. It's still pending. Understand? It's still what? Pending. Now, what am I looking at? Still on that very day. NZD interest rate decision. Then on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we have a CPI on the GBP. CPI is on GBP on Wednesday, and it will be there at 02.00. That will be London Open. That's when markets will be affected by the CPI though. So shall be trading it live when God wishes. Inshallah. Inshallah, we shall. God wishes. Now, still on that very day, we have a forms meeting. We have news and highly volatility. High volatility expected. Now, on Thursday, what am I looking at? So, initial job risk claims and the USD. Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index, still on USD. When is that? That will be a Thursday. Oh my goodness. And the crude oil inventories, they do affect the market slightly, but some other occasions, they do affect the market highly. Understand? These are crude oil inventories. Now, proceed. Oh my goodness. Then weekly end, it will be a Friday. What will I be looking at? Actually, if you're to see on average, this will be a two bullish day, all a volatile day. Volatile because if you're to see two star news everywhere. So what two star news? Everyone, the global manufacturing PMI, it will be there, or the USD 9:45 London session, London time. Existing home sales still, on the US dollar. So after finalizing our economic calendar, let me first take some water. We proceed. Sorry. Sorry for that inconvenience. Sorry for that inconvenience. Then, now this is it. Having seen our uh our economic calendar now, I just want us to see on every time, like on every pair. Now we are going to go technical. On every pair, how the previous week performed. Now you'd look at this pair, or if you'd look at the gold, this is a very strong rejection. Look at this area, like from here up to here. It was a rejection. It was a rejection. This area was rejected, and the market tried to pull back, and that's why technically our analysis, it's eyeing this level. It's eyeing this level. This level. This area. If you have to seek help. Now, having seen this, and you're looking for liquidity, I just want us to go to the one daily chart to see how the previous day closed. Because if you look at, if I'm to look at the previous day, automatically I'll be looking at what? The Friday. Now, this is it. When we were making analysis with my fellows all the last Friday, like on Friday, I was trading live my London session. Understand, as I always do. I was trading live now. we talked about these levels, and I told my students that we are just scalping, but let's enter this level. Our exit should be this level. Is what this level? Then this is a selling level. And I'm pretty sure that some other students bought that move and they sold, right? We did what? We sold. And if you look at this market carefully, all critically, which level am I looking at for more sales? I'm looking at this level because this is a selling area. This is a selling area. Oh, sorry. That's a selling level. Which one level? Other one levels. Even this level below, because this was a buying level here. If it was to be respected, and if that respect it, the moment our market opens, that's a scalping level. That's a scalping level, and still, I don't think that this was a selling what? This is a selling level. Anyway, it is technically, is and it will be. It is now. Where am I looking at? Actually, sorry, I placed here, and I was waiting for long positions at this level. But again, if you look at a wide scale, we see that there is still a lot. You could see that there is still a lot. But in that case, of course, we should utilize this level for buys, for short-term buys. But we are still in sales. The market is still heavy towards the selling side because it's been a while when this market has been what? When gold has been buying now. That's what's going on. All that's what's happening with gold. That's what's really happening with gold. Now, let's have with euro USD we analyzed. Actually, previously we said that this was a selling area. The moment they had broken it and they retested, but the moment they retested, they broken it. They just retested on it, and we previously we could have just used this level, and this what happened because it was a buying level. These are all scalping levels. Likewise, with this level, this is a scalping level. That's a buying level, and this is a 15 minutes time frame. I just want us to go to a daily time, like 5 minutes time frame entries, because that's why I always execute for entries. 5 minutes time. If you're to look at this level, this is a rejection, and that's a selling point because it's been they have over rejected it. So those ones who are going to trade your USD, be vigilant or be too cautious. Whether these two levels, that's a 5 minutes time frame. You have to just be careful. Now let's try GBP USD. With GBP USD, this was a buying level, but actually they didn't trigger it. Which level it was used? They used again this level. Yes, use this level. Yes, use this level. So those ones who want to trade with me some other times, you can join my $50 group. Always do analysis at night. The moment I come in the market at night, so you already see, or you already know what's going to happen, or you already know you have already predicted how price might move, because in most cases I overemphasize people to use price action, right? People to do what? Use price action. Actually, yeah, this market is too indecisive because if you're to see, there is no valid low here. There is no what? There is no valid low, and that's why it's just moving in this way. It's building up liquidity like volume. Understand? Let's go to a hourly chart and we see. If you're to see that on a hourly chart, there is nothing. There is nothing. So just high from this small level and some more buys. But the moment it fails, this will be a selling level. This will be selling level. The moment it fails, or the moment it's broken. You understand? The moment this level is broken, we shall just utilize it as a selling what? a selling level, USD JPY, because most colleagues of mine like trading USD JPY. So those USD JPY levels, you already know. CPI passed through this level because we had forecasted and we had analyzed that this was a selling level. Why? Some of the rejections, but actually it was strong. Why? Because after the market passing through it, it later respected just that it was CPI, because if you look at this level, that was a selling level. Analytically, there is a way I look at these levels, and there is a way these levels do what? There is a way also these levels do what? Respect our markets. And those ones who are trading USD JPY, this is a buying area. That's a buying area, my bros and my sisters. That's a buying area. With no compromise or with no questions, no more questions. That's a buying area. Hope you understand. I don't know. I'm not feeling nice. Not feeling well. Now, for those ones who are going to be looking for buys, before actually, if you look at this candle, this A is still respected. They just swept what? Just did what we call liquidity sweep. Now, what am I eyeing? The moment if we experience a candle closure at these two levels and we retrace a candle closure above these two levels and we retrace below these levels, above like we retrace to this level, let's consider more buys. Let's consider what? Let's consider more buys, and we might experience and we shall just get a short-term sell at that level. That's what I'm forecasting for USD JPY, GBP JPY. Most of my friends like this pair, but it's too indecisive, because if you look at it, there is building up more volume. It's even too indecisive. And I want to advise someone to enter it the way it is because of its indecisiveness. But if you look at this pair, it's in cells. It's in cells. There is a lot below here. There is a lot below. It's in cells. It's in cells. So on draining level, because it's not giving me what I want to see. Not clear. SDPY, USD card. This is USD card. It's USD. It's been invalid. This USD card. This was a selling level. Selling level. So it's selling level. Squeeze in all sheets. Clearly see. And those ones were eyeing for buys. On USD JPY. Let's consider strong buys at that level on USD card. So USD card, yes, so a strong buys this price level 1 point that 40898. That's a USD card. That's USD card. NZUSD. I do always take a long time. I do take a lot of time. But the moment, because if you look at this pair, it's the 1 hour chart, NZUSD. That's a 1 hour chart, but let's use a 15 minutes time frame. Let's use 15 minutes time frame, but I'm looking at, where am I looking at? I'm looking at these two levels, but I won't generally use this level. I personally, because this level was already utilized, where am I eyeing for buys? If you're to see, am I in this level for buys? That's the level I'm eyeing for mobile. These two levels. And make sure your capital can hold up this level. And likewise for this level, make sure your capital can do so. Right? Start JPY, sin cells, as it's building up much liquidity. And my targets on this pair. buying these two levels. Buys on card JPY. That's card JPY. Understand? That's card JPY. That's BBPNZD. BBPNZD, it's in my buying areas. So those ones will buy after looking at this analysis. It's a buying area. Because if it's to confirm that it's a buying area, you can see this rejection. That's a buying area for card NZD. Now I want us to look at US oil. US oil. US oil violated. After respecting this level, it went up. That was US oil. Then what happened? This was a buying level. Then later, yes, because of this level, this one, they use that a resistance level, but automatically this is a selling level. The moment we are to break below, I mean, this is the buying level. And the moment we are to break below this level, let's consider what? Let's consider sell. Below it, just want us to look at hourly chart, and we see how heavy these bears are. Let's see at how heavy these bears are. A moment. That's how I'm seeing our market. The moment we break above here, below here, let's proceed down now. Let's analyze BTC USD. That was our analysis. Preemptive analysis. Like we wanted to empty Bitcoin. Analyze this was our last buying level and it respected it. Respected it. Why am I high? Or what's my target? Our target shouldn't be this level. This should be our level. Gain buy. Gain buy. Let's first scroll. Or let's first go to a 5-minute chart. Let's look at our price just. Without the Bitcoin. Mobiles, where am I looking at? Above these levels. The moment we break and retest. Let's confirm buy. Above these levels. We proceed, we execute, right? Above that level, NASDAQ. NASDAQ. But look at our previous analysis. It respected it. Because I had said this level is for buying. It bought. What next? This level, yeah. Did the same. What am I looking at? This level was respected to. Was what? Was respected to. Let me looking at the power chart. Let me look at the power chart. I did liquidity sweep, and we're just waiting for something to sweep. What? To sweep. Selling level. The moment we reach it, the moment we break below it, any retest. However, when I retest, there were answers. Come on my desk. It's something big, something, and it's a bigger picture. It's a bigger picture. Of course, I can't explain it. It's a selling level. That's not. Our previous analysis. This was it last week. We said that's a buying level. This was a selling level, right? Did what? Did they say the actual thing? And I'm just waiting. Try to be careful. Just waiting for the break above this level and retest. Bomba. Yes, shut up. Yes, shut up. Right? So allow me idea. We shall just proceed tomorrow with our live analysis during our London session in the morning on Monday. Now power levels will be ripe. 1.P5 leave. Please wait for your setup. So get ready before you execute. Have a blessed day. Happy Sunday.